Ahsan from Pakistan says that if someone passes wind while in prayer, what should he do? First of all, his wudu is invalid, has been invalidated, which means that his prayer is void. So whatever you have done is gone. And whatever what you will do is not accepted. So what to do? There is an authentic hadith which says that whoever passes wind during salat in congregation, to avoid any embarrassment, you should put your hand over your nose as if you have nose bleeding and pretend that there is something coming out and leave and exit the congregation. People, when they see someone raising his head, putting his hand on his nose, they would know that he has a nose bleeding, and they would not say anything afterwards, inshallah.